Another relationship repair tool or skill is awareness of how you deal with conflict personally.
Okay.
How you behave, how we behave in the face of conflict. So I don't know if you're familiar with the 5 different types of conflict management styles, yung shark. So some people are sharks.
Okay, what is shark?
In the face of conflict, they tend to command, to dominate.
Okay.
It should be my way in the face of conflict.
Sounds familiar.
Bakit ka ganun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung iba naman ay fox.
Okay.
Okay, yung mga, kung yung shark ay nagdo-dominate, yung mga fox, they want to meet halfway. Okay, they want to meet halfway. They want to, sige, I will negotiate.
Okay.
Yung merong pangatlo, turtles.
Okay.
Turtles, they avoid conflict.
Okay.
Okay.
Altogether. Ayoko na pag-usapan, conflict is a bad thing, so let's not discuss. Merong mga bear. Yung mga bear, because bears are soft, diba, they just accommodate. Okay na, you win.
Accommodate.
You win, I lose. As long as we keep this relationship working. Meron namang mga owl. Owls, they collaborate. They talk until they meet not just the common ground, but to make sure that both parties are winning. So, if you think of yourself, alin ka dito? Yan. Siguro meron kang naisip, parang ito ako. In reality, yung sinasabi ko, no, we need to have an understanding of how we behave in the face of conflict. Since I am a trauma-informed coach, itong mga to are actually fight, flight, freeze, and fawn. Diba? Yung kapag ka
The
nasa conflict ka ba,
responses. Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
How do you respond? Do you fight? Do you flee? Do you fawn? Do you people please? Or do you freeze? So parang ganun din siya. If you have no awareness about your default response in conflict, sometimes doon nagkakaroon ng problem in resolving conflict. For example, one person is willing to repair the relationship. Pero yung isa, turtle siya, takot siya.
Paano yun?
Yeah.
Kailangan ng awareness.
Okay.
Awareness comes through feedback from other people and self-reflection. So we need to be aware of our tendencies, our default, our autopilot responses. So dyan, sa 5 yan. So ask yourself, alin ako dito? And here's another thing. Not because isa ka dito, parang ito ako palagi. Actually, we need to develop all of these things. Kasi walang bad or good dito sa mga to. Some people would think, dapat owl tayo. We always collaborate. We let both people win in the conversation. But actually, it's a case-to-case basis. Some situations call for sharks
Yeah.
to take the lead.
Oo.
Diba? Sometimes, I can be or I should be a shark in the conversation if I know the way. But if I am a turtle, parang yung default ko, turtle ako, tapos hindi ako nagtitake ng lead. And then, magkakaroon ng problem. So, awareness of my default, and then awareness of what I need to develop among these 5 in a given situation.
Oo. Kasi you can't just be one thing.
Right.
Diba? Kasi you want to be, for example, you're in a romantic relationship, you want to be positive for both ends. Maybe owl would work best.
Right.
But kunyari, it's a work relationship, tapos they're taking advantage of you. You should be a shark. Right?
Right.
You should be a shark.
And
Note to
for
self.
example, not even, for example,
You're
even in
saying
ano,
getting abused at work? Is that what you're saying?
Hindi! I just naisip ko lang, kunyari nagne-negotiate ka ng contract,
Right.
ganon.
Okay. Make sure mo lang.
and even in romantic relationships, for example, hindi naman kailangan laging owl eh.
Oh, yeah.
For example, di ba, simple
Kung
conflicts
bear nga yata ako eh.
Diba, simple conflicts like saan ka kain? Kailangan ba talaga palaging pinag-uusapan ng mahaba yung mga bagay-bagay? It's just really about knowing how to position yourself in certain conflicts. Is the conflict worth fighting for? Or is the conflict just some petty thing that you can really just forgo?
Oh, you have a lot to think about, babe.
What
So, Give your home Wi-Fi connection a boost when you avail of Fiber Plus Plan 1899.
That is powered by internet speeds of up to 200 Mbps and comes with 2 Wi-Fi mesh units plus more exciting promos and giveaways monthly.
Just visit pldthome.com/fiber-upgrade for more details.
Hi, I'm Jello de los Reyes. Make sure to like and share this video. And don't forget to follow PLDT Home on its social media accounts.